is up, you guys? What's going on? My name is Andre Dior. If this is your first time ever seeing my face, go ahead and subscribe and click that thumbs up button right now. I know, for y'all who are returning, Andre Army, y'all not seeing a ghost. It's really me. I'm back in the studio. Like, I haven't been in the zone or in the studio in such a long time. Like, it feels so weird to even be sitting here. Yep, new look again. Y'all like, whoa, is that all you? Or my hair. This is not a weave. This is not one of those, like, this is mine. So today I will be giving you guys 10 reasons why you should get a Moncler Maya. So if you want to see and hear reasons why and see the jacket and the review, then keep on watching. Let's put on the goddamn jacket. This is okay. So I've been had my jacket now for, I would say, what, 4 weeks now? Maybe 4 weeks now, or 5 weeks now, maybe a month. And when you first get your jacket, it comes in this huge, alright, so I got mine from Saks. So you get it in your Saks shopping bag, and then it comes in this huge Moncler plastic bag or whatever, if you guys can see that. And then, you know, all this extra. I got a 4, a size 4. I probably can't even see that. My lighting is so brighting. My lighting is so bright. You get, like, you know, all your paperwork and all this extra stuff. But yeah, I'll have close-ups next to me of what I'm talking about. And this is the jacket. Oh my god. I have been wanting this jacket, you guys, forever. It says Moncler here. And you have, like, the comic book instructions on how to, like, take care of it. That's gonna be right here. I know my lighting is always mad bright. I'm still trying to figure it out. And then you got, you know, your barcode, the official, all of this extra stuff that I cannot pronounce. So let me put it on and stop talking. Okay. Oh, and I also have one more surprise that also I bought with this jacket. Okay. I just feel like the baddest thing moving in this jacket. Like, isn't it cute, you guys? And you can also adjust, like, this part. So say if you have on jewelry and you want to, like, show you see how it's like this, and you want to show, like, your watch or your ring or your jewelry, you would just snap that there, boom, so you can show off your accessories. Throw in the hood, you know what I'm saying? You could, like, zip it up. It has 2 zippers. One I'm gonna show you right now. So you won't want to zip it up like this, but say it's cold, right? And I don't know, you want to show off your shirt, you had a baby shower, I don't know what the situation is. The second zipper, you can unzip the jacket from the bottom. Pretty cool, right? So if it's cold, it's brick or whatever, and you know, like, you don't want snow, hail, rain hitting you in your mouth, you just button it like this, boom. But they're like, who is that baddie? And this is how it looks. Back. See, I was trying to give you all a 360 of how the jacket looks. But yeah, I love this jacket. Like, I don't understand, I messed up my hair, but I love it. I got a 4 because at Moncler, what I noticed that they cut very small. I could have got a 2 or 3, but me, when I, like, get my winter coats or whatever, I like to be able to, like, throw in a hoodie and not feel, like, tight and still move my arms. It's extremely warm. So if people be like, oh, my clothes are not warm, it's just a fashion statement. Yes, you're fake, because mine is melt. Girl, I be sweating in this jacket. I literally be sweating. I could, like, go outside right now with a t-shirt and my jacket. But yeah, oh, one more thing. I also got the hat, the ribbed beanie that you can also get with it. I got it in black. It came with the pom-pom, like the one Alicia had, but I cut mine off because it looked too girly. No shade. I just didn't want that look for this. So then I don't want to mess up my brows. So you throw it on. That's how it looks. You know, you just look real. You look real official, and you just throw your hoodie like. What up? What up? What up? Somebody like you chilling, right? You post up, somebody trying to talk to you. You just like, you don't even have a car. Bye. Baby, you need a car to talk to me. And you guys, okay, so top 10 reasons why you should get a Moncler Maya. This is the men's version. You could get women's or whatever version you, based on your gender, whatever, you could go get. They have a plethora of colors. I think they have black, gray, yellow, green, blue, turquoise, pink, silver, like a crazy range of colors. So you could get, me, I like black, dressed in all black, like the ultimate, like Little Kim said, because I wear a lot of black in my closet. Like most of my designer bags, shoes, and everything else is black. So black is good for me. I'm thinking about getting a red one next as a Christmas gift to myself. Stay tuned. But no, what was I saying? See, I'm always rambling, guys. Reason number one to get a Moncler, it's a fashion statement, period. Like, you just look like that boy or that girl or that woman. Like, you just look so fire. Like, come on now. It looks like everything. Reason number two, it keeps you warm. Like, wintertime, you should not be cold. Like, this winter, I am not gonna be cold. Like, I haven't been cold, and I live in New York City when it gets to like 30 degrees, 2 degrees, 1 day. I am so warm in this jacket right now. You can pull these if you want to make it like tighter, which I don't, but you get the point. Reason number three, Moncler is kind of like, I guess, status. Like, it's like when people see you in a, like me, all right, being, you know, a minority, being a man of color, being black, all the stuff against me already. When I walk up in a spot with the upper echelon, who's, you know, this color, I'm not trying to bring race into it, they kind of treat me with respect and class and cadence. Like, you know, like, I'm not profiled. I'm not racially profiled like the generic black boy. They see the lubes, they like, hi, how are you? Opposed to find everything okay. You get what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get followed in the store in this jacket and hat, period. It's so sad, but it's the truth. Reason number four, I think we're on 4 or 3, who knows? Why not? If you got the money or you're saving up for it, get it. Like, it's not a huge jacket, but it's like insulated enough to keep you warm. It gets the job done. It's very simplistic. It's a bubble jacket. You can get it in shiny or matte. I chose shiny because, you know, I'm extra and all of that. But it's very simple. It's like a simple jacket. It's not like a moose knuckle or one of those, like a macage, like a crazy jacket with all the crazy fur. Even though I love the craziness sometimes, but I was looking for something like a everyday, especially where it's cold in my city. New York City gets very, very cold in the wintertime. And I wanted to make sure that I was getting a jacket that was gonna keep me warm. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. If you don't, like, get whatever jacket you feel like getting. But me, I'm honestly happy. I feel very confident in mine. I wanted this jacket for over 3 years. I finally worked my ass off to finally get one. And yeah, and it's like a late birthday gift to myself. Scorpio, y'all know, I just turned 23 last month. And yeah. But yeah, I definitely feel like you should get a Moncler Maya if you're thinking about getting it. I just gave you mad reasons. And last reason, you look very cute. Hey. What's that? My reasons on why you should get a Moncler Maya. And that's it. If you have any questions about the jacket, comment down below. I will link the link to the jacket to purchase it down below, and the hat also. Everything will be down below so you can buy it if you're interested in or even looking at it. So basically, comment if you like this video, what you want me to review next or talk about next, unbox next. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.